Hi, this is Bhaskar Jayavelu. Welcome back to Madras Tech 360. Today, we are going to see the end of the day chart analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty on 8th of October 2021. First, looking at the Nifty chart, let's mark the important supports and resistance on this chart. We shall mark the PDH here, previous day high, and this is PDL, previous day low. And looking out to the other support and resistance, I could see a supply zone on 7th, sorry, on 6th of October. Let's mark this supply zone. Then I could see a wide Virgin CPR on 7th. Let's mark the Virgin CPR. This Virgin CPR is more powerful since it is a very wide Virgin CPR. Okay, these are the important supports and resistance. Let me play the candles. Okay, like yesterday, market opened gap up nearly 100 points and it opened with a red candle. This red candle opened near R2 and closed above PDH. I could see there is no entry at this point. So there is no entry at the first candle. Till first 1 hour, market was completely sideways. So let us mark the first 1 hour high and 1 hour low. This is called IBH, initial balance high. Sorry, my handwriting is really very bad. IBH and IBL. Let's look for the opportunity to enter the trade. I could see this green candle made a resistance near IBH and got completed, but the next green candle broken the IBH and closed at the resistance R3. If you take the long entry at the close of this green candle, your stop loss will be too big. Look at the size of the stop loss. Stop loss will be too big. So we should not take any entry at this point. So we need to wait for some retracement back to the IBH. Here there is no retracement, even though you can see the candle came to the IBH. Retracement is nothing but, I'll just draw and show you how retracement will look like. This is retracement. Candle has to move up like this and come down, and it has to go this way. But look at here, the candle does not go up and come the same way. It has gone sideways. It has got consolidated for several minutes, and then it came to the IBH. So this is not a proper retracement, so we should not take any entry at this point. So there is no trade here also. Let's look for some other opportunity here to enter the trade. The market came down and touched the IBL and got reversed. Look at this green candle, the green pin bar. It touched the IBL and went up. But we cannot take the entry at this point because the stop loss will be too big. Stop loss will be at the bottom of this candle, so stop loss will be very big. So we have to wait for some retracement. And look at this green candle. This green candle is the retracement candle, so we can go long at the close of this green candle and take profit at 2 hour. Our entry will be here. And stop loss below the pivot. And target will be at 2 hour. 2 hour will be somewhere here. I think at this candle. Okay, we have made a profit of 2 hour, and this is the only trade which gave us the profit of 2 hour in Nifty. Let's look out to the Bank Nifty chart. Okay, in Bank Nifty chart, let us mark the important support and resistance now. As usual, let's mark the PDH. And PDL here. And we have a supply zone on 6th of October. And I see no Virgin CPR anywhere nearby. And these are the important support and resistance. Let me play the candles now. Okay, like Nifty, Bank Nifty also open gap up with the red candle. This red candle has broken the PDH and came down above the CPR. Here at the close of this red candle, we can go short if there is some room to move. But whereas I could see there is no gap at all. There is a small gap between the close of this red candle and CPR. And also, if we go for the short entry, the stop loss will be too big. So there is no entry at this first red candle. Now let's mark the first 1 hour high and low. This is the high BH. and this is IBL. Looking for the opportunity to enter, I could see there is a long entry here at this green candle. This green candle broke the first 1 hour high, so one can go for the entry here. Entry will be here. Stop loss will be below this candle. And profit at 2 hour. This is 2 hour. And we have made a profit in just 2 candles, 10 minutes of time. Looking for the next opportunity, the market went up, touched the supply zone exactly, and came down and made a red candle. We can go short at this red candle with 2 hour profit. You can take the entry at this point. Entry will be the close of this red candle. Stop loss above the candle. And target at 2 hour here, almost here. I always prefer 2 hour as my target. So in Bank Nifty, we entered 2 trade, and this 2 trade gave us a good profit of 2 hour each. So overall, in Nifty, we made a profit of 2 hour, and Bank Nifty (4 hour). Total, we made a profit of 6 hour today. I would not suggest to go for more than three trades a day. Maximum it should be 3. That's all about the chart analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty today. Meet you tomorrow, guys. Bye.